Hello, friends. In today's Learn Gardening in Lockdown series, we shall discuss about watering, the do's and the don'ts of watering plants. So, why do we have to water our plants? Good question, isn't it? So, I'll tell you the answer as well. Plants transfer the nutrients from the soil to different parts of the plant through roots. So, when we pour water in the soil, the water acts as the medium to transport the nutrients. So, always keep the soil moist. It does not mean that pouring too much of water, okay? Just ensure that the soil is moist. Watering the right way is what is needed. Overwatering or underwatering is no for gardeners. And a few aspects to keep in mind while watering plants are the type of plant. What type of plant needs how much of water? Second one is age. Young plant or an old plant. If it is aged plant, it's okay even if we water them on alternate days. But in case of seasonal plants like vegetable plants, young saplings also, they need to be watered regularly. Depending on the weather conditions and temperatures, just sprinkle water either once or twice to keep the soil moist. It doesn't mean that water them too much. We just need to keep the soil moist. At times, we get to hear that leafy vegetables keep fainting. That maybe either we are underwatering them or overwatering, which might lead to root rot. And as we spoke about the types of plants, plants like succulents need to be watered only once or twice a week. Similarly, we need to water as per the plant type again. Next in line is soil. So, considering the type of soil, the capacity to retain water may be different in different soil types. So, here we're not talking about soil in our containers. And based on our own experience with the type of soil in the area, we may water the plants accordingly. However, if we have to talk about uh, the soil we mix for our containers, so depending on the materials we use and also the ratio of the soil mix, the moisture retaining capacity varies. So check your soil and water them accordingly only if needed. And most of the times we take the water pipe and water all our plants equally in a row, isn't it? So this may be a reason for damage, as a few of those plants might not need too much of water. So water each container separately based on the moisture content in the soil and also the type of plant in it. And one more thing, when we give organic matter to our plants like manure, we need to keep in mind that the water retention is high. We need to give more organic matter like manure, composts to our soil to retain that moisture, as it boosts the microbial activity in the soil by retaining the moisture for a long time. Next is climate. Water as per season and weather. In rainy and winter seasons, you may water them on alternate days, whereas in summers, you need to water them twice a day, and even you can water on the leaves as well in summers. But avoid sprinkling water on leaves in winter or rainy seasons, as anyways the moisture in the atmosphere during these seasons is more. So if we water the leaves, that may lead to fungal diseases, and it may even spread from one another. And one more, indoor and outdoor. As we discussed about the outdoors already, now talking about the indoors, plants like ornamental plants, we don't need to water them daily. Twice or thrice a week or alternate days would be fine. In summer, you may sprinkle water on the leaves as well. Cleaning the dust on the leaves will clean the pores, and that will help in photosynthesis. And even placing a bowl of water beside the plant indoors will also help increase the humidity levels. And rather than placing the plants here and there on your terrace all over, it is better to keep them all together, as it increases the humidity and It does kind of moisture balance. And finally, timings. It's better to water the plants either early in the morning or in the evenings when the sun is down. I personally prefer watering in the evenings, as there would be a good 12-hour time until the sun rises again to keep retain the moisture and perform vital activities. So evaporation of water will be less. So do comment and let me know what time you prefer watering your plants, with reasons and results also. So these are the main things we need to know about watering plants. Also, comment and let me know the topic you need next. Hope you all like this video. Hit the like button. Also, share and subscribe Mad Gardener. I wish you all happy gardening. Let's stay home, stay safe, and also be productive.